If you want your make home look luxurious, stylish, and modern without of spending too much money, then this video is just for you. And today's we're going to talk about importance of wall molding designs and benefits and advantages and different types of wall moldings, the latest design ideas, and most importantly, the price in India. So make sure you watch this video till end because it will be completely change the way of look of your walls. So, the first is we know what is wall molding. Wall molding is decorative design technique where the frames, panels, or decoratives are create patterns are created on the walls using materials like POPs, wood, PVS, and MDFs. It's added to the depth, texture, and elegance to the plain walls. Earlier, it was only used in the royal homes, but now it's becoming very popular in modern interiors and modern Indian homes. While wall moldings can escalate the visual flair of your interior space, their sole purpose is not just aesthetic enhancement. The right choice for moldings on your walls, you can witness the following advantages. The modern wall molding designs are all about adding an extra edge to the any living space. But what are some creative ways to add this architectural to different parts of your home? Some inspiration has the living room, a space to relax, and how about the choosing the bedboards and bring to the touch of your elegance and transform the area of your house into more relaxing? And while applying of bedboards, you can choose the between bold and moody designs. Anything dark shades like charcoal grays or black on a coat of impressive HD. This will be create a chic environment the next home with guests coming over and innovative designs that element draw more interest and aesthetic of your property. So if you want your bedroom is blendy and comfort style, consider adding ceiling modulation, the fun architectural element capture visual interesting awards. The ceiling molding designs that can be planned and installing of chandeliers on the hanging features on your bedroom. And wall moldings instantly make your home look premium and designer like a look. And instead of boring flat walls, you get 3D texture look. And you don't need expensive marbles or wallpapers. These moldings give to the luxury look to your lower cost. And beautiful interiors can increase the home resale value. And perfect for all room walls. You can use it in living rooms, bedrooms, dining areas, and hallways. And advantages of wall moldings. These are compared to the stone or cladding or expensive wallpapers. Molding is cost effective and easy customization. You can create of square frames, rectangulars, and modern patterns and classic and royal designs. And works with a paint. You can combine of molding with matte finish, glossy finish, jewel tone walls paintings, and easy maintenance. Jute of wipe cloth, just wipe the cloth and very low maintenance. And quick installation also. Most designs can be completed 1 or 2 days. This is suitable for small homes and larger homes. Even small flats can look spacious and elegant. And types of wall moldings. The POP wall moldings, this most common in India, smooth finish and best for modern homes. The price in India 80 rupees to per square feet. Wooden wall moldings, these are premium and classic look, long lasting. The price in India 200 rupees per square feet. PVC moldings, waterproof and lightweight, best for budget homes. The price in India 60 rupees per square feet. MDF moldings, this are price will be strong and smooth finish, easy to paint. The price in India 120 rupees per square feet. Gypsum molding, modern and clean designs and crack resistant. The price in India 100 rupees per square feet. So the room-wise design ideas. Living room use a large rectangular frames. Add to the TV unit background moldings. Bedroom create molding behind the bed headboard wall. Use a soft pastel colors. In the dining area, added vertical molding panels. It's combined with warm lighting. An entrance wall use the symmetrical molding design added to the mirror or artwork inside frames.